Hello everyone, I am Dinparast Tohidi, project manager of Advanced Material and Processes at DTX, and
I am Catalina. I am currently a product owner and UX/UI designer for the IT department of the DTX.
And we have a new colleague, and let's her introduce herself. Who are you?
My name is Digitex, a DTX assistant. Ask me what to do.
Where are you?
I am at campus at Azurum, Guimarães.
Deactivate.
Digitex is deactivated.
Let us introduce this project in detail. This is a novel control panel application in which two sides has been developed, a back end and a front end. And for the first time, in this project, and also in our future project, we are going to use machine learning, including AI voice command, AI gesture control, and AI identifier to communicate with the final applications, which has been developed by my colleague. And
I will introduce that part in a few moments. So during this project, I was in charge of the design of the interfaces of the center console. Here at the bottom we have a screen that's more like settings of the car, such as the DAC that we have here. We can control it, and such as modify fan speeds and so on. And here on the top screens we have the infotainment system, so the passenger can listen to music and then play another thing on the radio and select a radio station, for example, and so on.
I am Digitex. Please let me identify you. You are authorized to command. How can I help you?
activate volume.
Volume control is activated.
As you can see, I can change the volume as per percentage, and one indexed for 20% of volume, 2 for 40%, 3 for 60, 80 and 100, and this configuration for mute. And while I want to exit the volume, just a control, I just need to show my fist. And here we go.
Radio.
Select your radio channel.
Music.
Select your music from playlist.
Exit.
Panel control is deactivated.
So as you can see, we are not only able to control the volume, we are also able to change from music to radio station, and select radio station and the music we want to listen to with the voice control.
And this is the version 2, and you are going to see a lot in version 3, and just let's wait for it. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.